What's happening, guys? So I'm gonna do something a little different for y'all. I'm going to explore my city, and we're gonna fish in downtown San Antonio on the Riverwalk. Y'all can see behind me. Got my buddy here, Kev, and he's making eye contact, messing me up here. But we're gonna go fish. Well, I'm gonna fish because I only brought one rod and like some random tackle that I have. Long story short, so I got locked out of my boat storage, so I couldn't get none of my tackle, rods, baits, anything. So I had to make do with some stuff I had in my garage, and I want to make this video for you guys. So I'm down here, and we're gonna get to it. I need some vegetation around here. See if I can make a cast way over there.
Yeah, bushes and shit.
That little part in the water.
Let's get
Come up with a hand or something.
Who?
Like come up with a hand. Oh, I left my phone in the truck. You gotta zoom in. You stand right there. Ooh. Yeah.
I heard they're gonna clean up part of the river too.
Every year what they do is they drain it completely and pick up all the trash and let the water back in. Yeah.
And now I was hearing they're going to plant native fish this year. Below such and such a place.
Yeah, there's a couple, yeah, like that.
What do you use it for bait?
Just a little plastic worm, yeah. No live bait or anything, just a little plastic worm. Yep.
No
weight.
Yeah. So you got your own booster here. This is nice. Not just one camera, but two. This
No, that's my buddy. He works down the street. I was like, hey, I'm coming out here. So.
Live reality television.
I do YouTube videos, make fishing videos. So that's why. Yeah.
What's your channel called?
Fishing with Will.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Well, we're in the presence of greatness here.
Yeah.
You know,
I'll put you guys on there. Yeah. I'm recording still. Well, that part of the river sucked, so we're gonna move to another place. This is more like there's quite a few sections that they've like rehabilitated and put rocks and all that stuff in, but we're gonna go to like one of the newer places that they kind of just redid, where my buddies have been going and catching fish. But I figured I'd try something different before I head that way, and getting pretty desperate now. Well, been out for about an hour, no fish. My man Kevin right here. But I'm gonna keep casting, keep swinging. Check it out, people taking pictures over there. Just want one fish before I leave. Otherwise, I have to come back and do like a part 2. Plan on coming back anyway, but you know. No fish today, but we came over to this little taco spot. You've probably seen it. It's a little I Love Taco So Much place here in San Antonio, downtown. Pearl, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you can hear me, the wind's blowing like crazy, but just came to get some food, have a couple beers, and since I didn't catch any fish, I will be back here to do like a part 2. Might come tomorrow, later on in the week, but I redeemed myself and catch me a fish out of here. Never caught a fish out of Riverwalk. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for part 2 where I do catch a fish. I had one bite today. I think it was a bluegill or something. Saw tons of carp and tilapia though. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.